Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to fix your Tesla touchscreen is not working. Okay, it's really easy and simple, but before you go ahead and do this, make sure your Tesla is in park. Okay, you can only do this when it's in park. Then you want to go ahead and hold down both the scroll buttons on the steering wheel until the touchscreen basically turns black, and then you have to wait for about 30 seconds for the touchscreen to basically restart. And if you still find the touchscreen to be unresponsive or it is demonstrating unusual behavior after a few minutes, then you can try power cycling the vehicle. Okay, and let me show you how to do this. So you have to basically shift the vehicle into park, and on the touchscreen you want to go ahead and click on controls, click on safety, and then click on power off, and you want to wait for at least 2 minutes without interacting with the vehicle. And do not open the doors. Make sure you touch the brake pedal, touch the touchscreen. Do not do any of these things. And after 2 minutes you want to press on the brake pedal or open the door to basically wake up the vehicle. Only do this if it is actually possible. Maybe it's a little bit responsive and glitchy, but if it is completely not working, then this is the only way, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.